Hello guys, you're welcome to Mental Maths TV, and today in this lesson I'll be teaching you how to simplify mixed numbers. I know that some of you make the mistake of calling this mixed fractions, but they are not mixed fractions, they are mixed numbers. So at the end of this class you'll be learning how to add mixed numbers or how to simplify mixed numbers. So we have our examples right here. Let's go to example number 1. 1 whole number 2/3 plus 2 whole number 1/2. Solution. What are you going to do? First of all, you need to change these mixed numbers to improper fraction. First step is to change these mixed numbers, like I said earlier, to improper fractions. I know that you might be wondering how on earth are you going to be able to do that. It's quite simple. Now look at me. It's going to be 3, the denominator multiplying the whole number, then you add up the result to the numerator. Now let's get started. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So when you change 1 whole number 2/3 to an improper fraction, it becomes 5/3. You add our operation sign, which is addition sign. Then 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Therefore, we have 5/2. Now, after this first step, another step is to find the LCM. Step 2. This is step 1. Step 2 is to find the LCM. LCM is known as lowest common multiple. Now, let me show you a simple way of finding the LCM. When you look at this denominator, you find out that this one is 3 and this other one is 2. Can they divide each other? The answer is no. So what do? To find the lowest common multiple, you just multiply them out. That is 3 multiplied by 2, which will give us 6. Therefore, our LCM becomes 6. Now, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Add the operation sign. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So our answer becomes 25 all over 6. Now you can change this right back into a mixed number. How do you do that? You ask yourself a simple question. How many 6 are there in 25? We have about 4 of them, because 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. So we have 6 whole number, 1 all over 6. Yes, it's that simple. Now let's move to number 2 example. You start afresh with all the steps. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So we have 3 all over 2, plus 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, plus 2, that's 5. So we have 5 all over 3. Find the LCM, of course, is 6. 6 divided by 2 is what? Is 3. And 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Add the operation sign. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. So we have 19 all over 6. How many 6 are there in 19? 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. So we have 3 whole number, 1 all over 6. So you see, guys, it's quite simple. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more simplified mathematics. Thank you for watching.